What is automation? Have you ever wondered how factories produce thousands of products daily, or how your smart home adjusts the temperature automatically? This is all possible because of automation. In this video, we'll explore what automation is, its types, and why it's shaping the future. Automation is the use of technology, machines, and control systems to perform tasks with little or no human involvement. It increases efficiency, reduces errors, and saves time across various industries.
1. Industrial automation used in manufacturing, assembly lines, and robotics, e.g. car production. 2. Building automation, controls, HVAC, lighting, and security systems, e.g. smart buildings. 3. Home automation, smart devices like Alexa, security cameras, and thermostats. 4. Process automation, used in oil and gas, water treatment, and food processing. 5. IT and business automation, AI-driven tools like chatbots, software bots, and RPA.
Increases productivity. Machines work 24/7. Reduces human errors. Improves accuracy and consistency. Enhances safety. Reduces workplace hazards. Saves costs. Lowers labor and operational expenses. Improves efficiency. Optimizes time and resources. Automation is evolving fast. With advancements in AI, IoT, and robotics, industries are becoming smarter and more connected. Are you ready for the future of automation? If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more automation insights. Let's explore the future together.